Hello, my name is Tianyi. I'm learning Master of Business Administration here in UTAS Melbourne campus, and I'm specialized in accounting and marketing. I'm from China, Hebei province. It's my second year here in Melbourne. I think it's very beautiful and diverse city here in Australia, and I love the atmosphere here in Melbourne. I traveled a lot of places in Melbourne, and I went to the beach and also the museums. I enjoy the life here. I think people here are very nice and friendly and professional and responsible. It's really a good experience for me to be here and cooperate with others. Before I keep following Tasmania for a few years, and it's very well known university and around Australia and around the world, and we have so many different subjects here and many majors we can choose. It's very nice for me to study here and also meet new friends with different majors here. Yeah, I have many friends here. It's really nice because we have different backgrounds, and also we do the assignments can be in a group, and it's really nice here. And also the student service team and campus team, I know them and they know me, and I know they can help me very well, and they're very nice. I'm so impressed by how the campus and how the student services they can help us very efficient, and how high the teaching quality is.